It looks similar to the one at Scottsdale Fashion Square, except the one at Fashion Square is Dover and Paul's.
Dude.
What?
See the font here?
Yeah.
Can somebody tell me if I'm right or wrong? Is this a 321A?
What's the difference?
Early model.
Oh, really?
Nice cab. I do like this cab. And the piston is not mounted in the center of the shaft.
How do you know?
I know.
I'm gonna switch sides.
You want to ride again? Yeah.
We'll get off at 2.
Okay. It's a good motor. Oh.
We don't need to write it again. It's just a basic Schindler.
Right. Yeah, it's okay. They get priority.